In today's video, we're going to be making French toast with a homemade brioche bread. We are starting off by making fresh brioche bread. Start in 1 1/2 cups flour, then into that add instant dry yeast, 1 packet, and then you want to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then you just want to mix that in, like so. Then you want to add 3 tablespoons of cold milk and 2 eggs. And then you just want to mix that in until the dough starts to come into a little ball. Then you want to add a 1/2 cup of sugar, a little bit at a time, and when that's all mixed in, you want to add a 1/2 cup of butter. And that's softened, and then you want to mix that all in too. Then you want to let it knead in the bowl for about 10-15 minutes. And then after that, you want to take it out and make sure it's a nice soft dough. For brioche, you want to make sure it's a nice soft dough so you get a nice soft bread. You want to take it and then put it in an oiled bowl and let it rest for 1 hour. After you have rested it for 1 hour, you want to cut your dough into fourths. It should be very soft and very nice. So you want to cut it into fourths, and then you want to roll it into a ball. So you want to flip it over, pull all corners of the dough inside, and then you want to put your hands under it and almost push to make a ball. And then you want to put it in a bread pan to bake it at 375 for about 30 minutes. Now we get to the good part. Crack some eggs, 3 eggs in a bowl, and then put a teaspoon of cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and sugar, and then you just want to whisk it until you incorporate enough air into it. And then you want to put oil in your pan. You want to get your nice brioche bread, and you want to dip it in your mixture. I'd say about 30 seconds. And then you want to put it in the pan, and you want to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Depends on how crispy you like it, and then you're good. Now you can put whatever toppings you want on it. Obviously you put syrup. I'm going to put powdered sugar because it's an occasion and we're all quarantined right now, so yeah. And then wow, if you eat it right away, you get the crispy outer texture, which is great. It's got everything you want on it for breakfast. Really, you should really consider making this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.